Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title of this video, we have a Cherryz haul. If you haven't heard of Cherryz before, Cherryz is an online app where you can buy basically like Poundland items, which is amazing. Home bargain type items. So if you're into your Zaflora, this is the place to get it, and it's all online, which is absolutely brilliant. Now, Cherryz actually contacted me and gave me £50 to spend on their online app. I'll leave all the info in the description to the online app, and I've also got a discount code for you today. So if you would like 20% off on your first order from Cherryz, I'll leave the link to the Cherryz app below. Please use my code, which is JaneAnn20, and I'll leave it on the screen here, and you get 20% off on your first order. So if you like this kind of video at any time, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. So yes, let's get into the haul. So obviously Cherryz, let me just talk a little bit about Cherryz itself. I'll give you a little bit of a brief description of the app itself, and I'll show you on screen. They have loads of different categories. Obviously you've got household at the minute, you've got seasonal, which is Valentine's. They've got new in section, and a lot of the items are just like £1 or £2. So you can get basically all your Poundland stuff, home bargainy sort of stuff. If you're into cleaning and stuff like that, you can get all that kind of stuff as well. There's a few household items too, but yeah, they're all in different categories, and you can have a good browse and get it all delivered to your doorstep. So Cherryz kindly gifted me this £50 worth of stuff, and then, to be honest, I struggled to fill my basket with £50 worth of stuff. So I did struggle, because £50 is a lot of money when you're only gonna, when every item is only £1. So yeah, anyway, it comes in this big box like this. It's got lovely tissue paper on the top, and I believe everybody gets a nice little sticker that says Cherryz. Yeah, tissue on the top here, and then you've got some nice paper packaging, which I do like because it's helping the environment. So take these two sections off, and we are left with a box of goodies. So I'm going to go through all the items that I picked out. Hopefully I've got a few different things that I can show you. So let's just head on in with the first item. So as you know, I love these, and these are the oat burst porridge pots. These are good if you're in a rush in the morning. These actually taste really nice. I can't remember the prices, so I'll leave all the prices on the screen here as I talk about them. But yeah, I got 4 of these actually, oat burst, so that they're ready for mornings when you're in a rush. So I picked up those. Right, next up as well, I picked up the Penn State baked pretzels in sour cream and chive. Absolutely love these. Got them in a Christmas gift box from work at one point, and I absolutely love them, so had to pick those up. Sticking to food, because this is what I can see on the top, I picked up 3 lots of choc dips, which are always come in handy, you know what I mean. Right, next up as well, we seem to be in the bath area. I picked up this nice big back scrubber, which will go nicely in the shower. It's a mesh bath brush. Yeah, I thought that was pretty good, and we will use that. Sam will definitely enjoy that, because he used to have one before, but it all fell to bits, and to be honest, I've never known where to get another one from. So yeah, that was really handy. Right, next up as well, we have the what is this called? Daily Defense. This is the 3-minute leave-in treatment, which looks like that in this sort of gold tub. Looks quite nice. Looks like it's going to do, it's a deep conditioner for your hair, which is really nice. So I picked up 2 of those. Yeah, I'm going to give one to my sister, but yeah, I picked those up as well. So I thought they were really good price as well. Everything is such a good price. I will definitely be ordering again. Right, next up we have the cherry and almond milk original sauce. Now I haven't seen this flavour before. I'll call it flavour, but this sort of smell before. But ooh, why do I always get it on my nose, right? Yeah, that smells absolutely divine, and I love the smell of cherry. Cherry is one of my favourite smells, especially like for washing and stuff. Cherry is such a nice smell. So I got that, and then next up as well, I got some instant tan. As you know, I always mention that I'm always looking pasty, but I thought this might help. This is like a wash off kind, you know, if you're in kind of a rush and you haven't got time to do your fake tan and all that, and you want to just put a bit of fake on for a video maybe, yeah, I can put this instant tan on, and away we go. So yeah, it kind of looks very sort of browny coloured. I won't swatch it right now because it might be quite messy. So I picked that up as well. Oh, this next item. Oh, so I saw a couple of the other people have one of these and I really wanted one myself. This is the Insulated Panda Flask. This is so cute, especially it'd be lovely for a child as well. I'm a bit of a child, that's why I got one for myself. But yeah, it's a cute little panda on the front, and the actual bottle itself looks like this. This was literally like £2 or something. It was so cheap. How cute is he? Little panda, and he's got a little tail, which is so cute. Look at that little tail there. But yeah, this is really good quality. Oh, so yeah, it's a nice thermos, keeping your beverage warm. But I thought that was super cute. Absolutely love that, and such a bargain price. I'm sure it was like £2. Anyway, obviously I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, such a bargain price, but I had to get one of those. Right, next up as well, I picked up 2 lots of Zaflora in the Linen Fresh. I'm sure I've had Linen Fresh before. Linen is one of my favourite scents. Yeah, definitely have. I think I just used this in the kitchen before when I was cleaning up. But yeah, Linen is definitely one of my favourite scents. So yeah, I picked up 2 of those. Next up as well for Sam, I got him an insulated travel mug. He likes to take a coffee on the way to work in the morning, so I thought this would be handy for him. And it's got a little like opening on the top there just to keep stop it from spilling. But yeah, I thought that was pretty good, and again that was only a few pounds. But yeah, they had it in a couple of different colours. I got blue for Sam. They had purple, they had green. They had quite a few colours. Have a look on the app. That was really good. Right, next up as well, I picked up the Summer Berries Zaflora. I don't know whether I've had this one before. Let's have a little bit of a smell check. That's quite nice. Very summery. But yeah, this one's Summer Berries. Now, I don't think I've had this one before, but it's still very nice, so I've picked that one up as well. They had loads of Zafloras if you're into that sort of thing. I picked up a couple of little goodie bags for the cats. I thought they like these little treats, so I thought I'd treat them as well. Why not? Then they have makeup, which I thought was amazing. So they had this Barry M Mythology eyeshadow and highlighter palettes. Now it looks like that. So you obviously get the highlighters here and all these lovely sort of shades as well, which I obviously would wear. This one for sure, this one and this one would definitely be my go-tos. And then you can use this one as a base, I suppose. It's a little bit shimmery, but you can definitely use that as a base. And then you've got these kind of highlighters here as well, which I thought was super good. Not expensive at all, and it's Barry M as well, which I thought was really good, so I got that, which I thought was brilliant. Right, next up as well, I picked up this cute little plaque. This is actually for my sister. This is like a toilet, bathroom rules, wash your hands, clean up yourself, be neat and tidy, no diving please, bath, relax and enjoy. It's a little plaque. Actually looks a little bit bigger on the website. I suppose it's a little bit deceiving, but yeah, it is a tiny little one, a little plaque there, and I think it was like £1 or something, but I thought that was really quite cute. And then obviously they have stationery, which obviously, you know, I'm a sucker for a new pad. So I picked up this one, which I thought was amazing. I loved the marble and I loved the rose gold and sort of mint colour there. And this is just a lined book, plain lined booklet just to write in, notepad. So yeah, I picked that up too. Right, next thing I picked up as well. These were for, I got these kind of for my mum because she gets lots of aches and pains, but they are basically body warmers. Now these are ultra thin, warm up quickly, ready to use for like hiking and walking, or for my mum really because she gets a lot of aches and pains. I thought this might help her as well. But this, I mean, I'm not 100% sure how they work. How do they work? Oh, open the sachet by hand, exposed to air, starts the warming action. You just stick it to your body, outside of clothing, back, chest or stomach areas. So you could, she gets aches in the shoulders, so I thought she could stick that on her shoulders sometimes, and it stays warm for up to 10 hours of heat, which I thought was amazing. These are like £1 each. So I got 2 lots of those. I've never seen them before. Plus I got the hand warmers as well, which I believe they're the same sort of things. They're 2 hand warmers. Again, as soon as they hit the air, I guess they'll warm up. So I got those as well. And then they also had foot warmers too. So I thought, why not? Keep your feet warm. Obviously for people that are out walking, which is what I should be doing. Right, next up as well, I picked up the Gloss Me Up lip kit. This is another Barry M product. This is a lip kit. So inside you get these beautiful little colours. So you get a lip pencil that looks like that, sort of my kind of colour, and then a lip gloss that's in that kind of shade. So yeah. So those 2, which I thought was really good. Yeah, thought they were brilliant. I would definitely like those colours and those shades. I'm not sure if they do any different colours in that. It might just be that one, but do check it out because I'm sure they change up every now and again anyway. So, right, I also picked up this Volume Glamour Max Mascara by Bushwah. So it looks like that. Obviously, I have taken my individual lashes off. I've got strip lashes on today, so I need to start using mascara. I'm having a little break from my individual lashes, but yeah, so I needed a proper mascara for when I'm not wearing strip lashes, so I thought I'd pick that up as well and see what that was like. And I'm really a bit picky about the type of brush that they are. This one's quite a super chunky brush, probably a little bit bigger than I would like, but I'll certainly give it a go because sometimes I think I prefer the thinner ones, but I'll give that a go. It is Bushwah at the end of the day. Right, I also picked up as well a Derma V10. Obviously you'll have heard of that brand out of Poundland. This is a Cosmic Fizzer Passion Fruit Bath Bomb, so I picked that up too to use in the bath. I'm a sucker for a bath bomb. Right, next up as well, I picked up some hemp face serum with hemp oil. Obviously hemp is all the rage at the moment, you know, with the CBD oil and all this business, but this is hemp beauty and some face serum, so I thought I would give that a go. If you can see that, oh, it's vegan as well, which is really good, and it's made in the UK. Right, next up as well, I picked up a cutlery drawer. This is actually for my sister, so a pink one, which I thought was pretty good. It's nice solid plastic, so yep, that's for her. I also picked up some of the Dove Visible Glow Self Tan Lotion. It's kind of like a moisturiser with a tanning aspect in there. It's medium to dark skin, which I am not, so let's just hope I don't turn out too orange, but we'll see what that goes like. I know I've got a couple of reviews to do on the other one, St. Moritz one that I got the other week. I will be doing that video very soon, but yeah, I can do one on this. If anyone is interested, please leave me a comment below if you want to see a review on this. I'm actually quite keen to see how that goes as well, so if you do want to see that video, please let me know below. They also had St. Moritz, this one as well, which is the white one, so I got another bottle of that. I got it in medium. I think dark is probably too dark for me. I have used this before, so oh, it looks like it's slightly leaked. Ugh. Slightly leaked. I better get a cloth because it's running down everywhere. Great. Yeah, slight accident there, nearly went everywhere. So yeah, I got that as well. Right, the last couple of things I picked up was this lovely sort of sticky note thing. This is quite cute. I like sticky notes. So you get these sort of little strip ones. Ones that are a little bit thicker, post-its, and they all come in this little binder, which I thought was quite cute. And then last but not least, I got a wind-up mouse for the cats. I'm sure they will absolutely love this and will chase it to death. So yeah, I'll have to see how they get on with that. I'll try and take some footage at the end to see the cats playing with that. They also had this in brown as well, I think, or black, I think it was. So yeah, so I picked that for them. Right, that was everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the app. Again, everything is in the description below, and it is super brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed it. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.